Hello chocolate people! Welcome to the next episode of Craft Chocolate Television. Today we have an exciting episode where we're going on a field trip to the island of Kauai. We're going to go meet Will Lydgate of Lydgate Farms, and we have a great relationship with them where they send us their cacao seeds, we manufacture chocolate bars and send it back for their farm tours. They recently won a Cocoa of Excellence Award at the Salon du Chocolat. They're doing, once again, a great job at getting us really good cacao, and that's the secret to making good chocolate. So we're going to go learn about what's going on for the future of chocolate in Hawaii and the current state at Lydgate Farms. See you there.
Aloha, this is Will Lydgate and I run a cacao farm called Lydgate Farms, and I am honored to be a part of Craft Chocolate Television. Here at Lydgate Farms, I'm managing 2 parcels of land that total 46 acres. I have 4 acres of chocolate in the ground now, and by the end of the year, if everything goes according to plan, I should have about 6.5 acres, possibly 7 acres of trees in, and that's at 400 trees an acre. So our job in Hawaii is to produce a high quality crop. So here in the islands, we can't compete on a commodity level, generally in agriculture. So in the old days we had sugarcane, then later we had pineapple, and what happened is we were going head to head with other countries globally. And we had amazing technology, we had amazing yields, some amazing people, amazing engineering work that was done, and it just ended up at the end of the day that a farmer in Southeast Asia that can pay their laborers $5 a day is going to beat us every time. And really, I believe that the future of Hawaiian agriculture, one important aspect of that future is value-added crops. So a value-added crop is like, instead of doing all of my processes to this pod and selling the beans on the New York Stock Exchange, right? Race to the bottom, lowest common denominator, lowest bidder. I'm going to make as high quality of a product as I can. I'm going to handle this with great care, thoughtfulness, and with a mind to the most flavorful processes possible in chocolate on a farming level. And at that point, we send our beans to Manoa Chocolate. And they're out there running, doing their thing, getting better every day, and making better and better chocolate every day. I'm out there doing the same thing for farming, working on my quality. I want Hawaiian chocolate to be incredibly successful. I want a business that can grow. I want to be able to employ local people. We need to have great flavor in our Hawaiian chocolate. We need to be in that craft chocolate arena. One of the things we do a lot of here at Lydgate Farms is that we have chocolate farm tours, chocolate farm experiences. So this is an experience we do in the morning. Visitors come on our farm, we feed them chocolate, we teach them about the island. It's fun and educational, and we taste tropical fruits in season. They eat fresh chocolate, consume the sweet fruit that's inside of this cocoa pod. They get to taste the inside of the seeds. We explain all the post-harvest practices, we explain the quality, and they eat our chocolate. Additionally, these kinds of specialty crops, chocolate, vanilla, some other crops, and value-added products are sustainable in a financial sense because of our wonderful visitor market. Let's get some of that tourism money in ag. I think it's a no-brainer, something I'm really excited about, and I'm so glad that you took the time to come here and talk with me about some of these agricultural things.
And that, my friends, has been another episode of Craft Chocolate TV. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.